This car. Look at the rear roof line on this car. This is owned by Lisa and Jim Hendrix of Chesterfield, Missouri. It's got the turn indicators, the trafficators they call them, on the side that would flip up when you go turn on the turn signal. The airline is a sporting four-seat coupe design with a swept-back, streamlined Art Deco style fitted with a dual carburetor side valve 6-cylinder engine. It features luxurious armchair rear seating as requested by company owner Sir William Lyons to mimic his office chair design to be comfortable and unique to the airline model. There are also stylish metal covered dual side mount spares that are also ducked into the front fenders there very nicely that you notice there. It's one of 16 known to exist worldwide of the 624 originally produced. Wow, only 16 survived. Of only a handful restored, this is the benchmark car of its type, being documented by the Jaguar Daimler Heritage Trust from new. It has just been restored for the first time to the highest standard in its original all-silver paint with the original shade of special light blue leather upholstery. Truly a special car, there's no doubt about it. The song for this, Happy Birthday.
Woo!
It's Jim's birthday. Yeah.
Happy birthday!
I can't think of a better way to spend your birthday.
Exactly.
Well, coming up next is a car you may have seen, and we'll tell you why in a moment. Happy birthday, and thanks for bringing this beautiful, beautiful car. We'll tell you why you may have seen this car. Our next entry is a 1937 Packard Series 1500 limousine, owned by Patricia and Jose Munoz.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Made by LeBaron in 1938 for the president of American Tobacco Company. All aluminum body with a full back seat and a 3-position. Is this 8? No, so we got the wrong car. Sorry about that.
Yeah, this looks more like a Volkswagen to me, Dave. Not that I